a new story for you about living together in diversity. I hope you like it. In the heart of the forest, where the leaves whispered ancient secrets and the rivers sang soft melodies, the animals decided to celebrate a unique party, a diversity party. The idea came from Sara the Snake, known for her wisdom and love of bright colors. Let's celebrate our differences and learn from each other. Sara proposed. The news spread quickly, and soon, everyone in the forest was excited about the idea. Peter the duck, the enthusiastic swimmer from the Blue Lake, was the first to offer his contribution. "I will teach everyone the water games we play in the lake," he announced with a joyful splash. Michael the monkey, whose laughter was as contagious as his energy, jumped from branch to branch in excitement. "And I will bring music and dancing. Our drums will echo throughout the forest." Lola the wolf, whose eyes reflected the moon, joined in with her soft voice. "I will tell stories of the stars and how our ancestors learned to hunt and live in harmony with the forest." Finally, Fernanda the seal, who rarely left her cold home on the frozen river, nodded. "I will share stories of the ice and teach polar games." Preparations began immediately. Sara the snake and her team of colorful reptiles decorated the forest clearing with bright flags and garlands, each representing different parts of the forest. Pedro and his aquatic team filled a large natural pool for water games. The big day arrived, and all the forest animals, from small insects to large bears, gathered in the clearing, dressed in traditional costumes from their regions. Miguel the monkey started the party with a vibrant rhythm that made everyone move their legs, wings and tails in unison. Each animal took its turn on the center stage. Pedro the duck taught the land dwellers how to dance in the water without getting too wet. Sara the snake, with her body adorned in bright colors, led a painting workshop, where everyone created a small work of art inspired by the traditions of the others. Lola the wolf, under the growing shadow of night, captured everyone's attention with her tales of the moon and constellations, teaching lessons of survival and respect for nature. Fernanda the seal, surrounded by artificial snow to make everyone feel at home, shared stories of extreme cold and the importance of adaptation and cooperation. The climax of the party came when everyone joined together to paint a large mural depicting the forest, with each animal adding a unique element. The mural, full of colors and shapes, was a testament to their diversity and unity. At the end of the party, everyone enjoyed a great dinner, with dishes from different parts of the forest. Each bite was a new experience, a new flavor to discover. Diversity is our greatest strength, Sara reflected as she looked around. Learning and celebrating our differences not only enriches us, but unites us. With full stomachs and hearts closer than ever, the forest animals promised that the Diversity Festival would become an annual tradition. As they said goodbye, they knew that each one was returning home with a little more knowledge, respect, and love for their forest neighbors. This story combines educational elements with entertainment, ideal for teaching children about the importance of diversity and inclusion in a fun and engaging way. If you liked this story, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when we upload a new story. Before you go, leave us a like. Thank you and have a nice day.